Hey gang, caffeine BS for July 29th. Yeah, July 29th, 2019. It's hot. It's hot everywhere. Everything's melting. So what else is new? It's hot, right? Heat's really taking it out of me. Haven't been able to get much work done because it hasn't been cooling off enough at night so that I can actually function. Because if it's too hot, my heart rate and my temperature go, and the ambulance ride doesn't really wow me, so I've been having to go easy. But I have one entire axis of my Shareline milling machine DRO install project complete. Installed, working, videoed, demonstrating the numbers changes that I turned the hand wheel. And I managed to do it in under 40 hours from the video. Anyway, I'm going to go now. It's hot. Anyway, I got another vid to shoot right after I turn this off.